Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download Adobe Acrobat Pro as a free trial on your PC or Mac. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search Adobe Acrobat in the search bar. Then click on the official Adobe website. Once you're on the web page, scroll down a bit and you'll see different plans available, including Acrobat Reader, which is completely free. You can download it instantly by clicking the Download Now button. But if you want access to additional features like AI-powered tools, editing PDFs, converting, organizing, and protecting files, then you'll need to go with either the standard or pro plan. Now here's the thing, you can download a free trial for both standard and pro, but the pro version gives you all features unlocked during the trial. So I'll go ahead and click on Pro, then click Continue. On the next screen, choose a plan just for trial. The total will still show $0. Proceed to the payment section, where you'll enter your credit or debit card details. Don't worry, you won't be charged immediately. Adobe will only charge you after the trial ends, so make sure to cancel before the billing date if you don't want to continue. Once the setup is complete, your free trial for Adobe Acrobat Pro will begin, and you'll be able to use all the advanced PDF features for 7 days. And that's it. That's how to download Adobe Acrobat Pro as a free trial on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.